and of course Bar 9. And later on we got Chelsea Allen and Tubero. So I know you guys are warming up. You guys are just warming up. This next song, this one goes to all the women from the history, okay? This is actually one of the most controversial songs I wrote, and it got us like almost 1 million views with different perspective when it comes to religion, but it's not actually tackling about the religion. It's about the women and the narrative that was built towards women. This one's called Si Eva. Ang question nila'y wala ka pang balat. Sa ngalan ng ina, ng kapatid at ng anak, ang kwento ay malayo na. Kaya babalang ka at may maranagutan upang may nasisi sa mundo, matagal ng wasak. Kasalanan ng iba ang ibinasa kay Medusa, ika'y mangkukulang pag pumalang demonyo. Sa ngalan ng ina, ng kapatid at ng anak, ang kwento ay malayo na ang tinahan. Babalang ba ang may pananagutan upang may nasisi sa mundo, matagal ng wasak.
Chelsea Eva.